video, we're going to interview one of the successful person here in Kauswagan.
Her name is Mrs. Rhea Ann Macapobre.
So, let's start! So, good afternoon, ma'am. So, first of all, I would like to say thank you for allowing us to conduct this interview. So, ready na, ma'am? First question, how was your life lately?
My life lately is challenging and colorful because I have my family and my career, so I can say that my life lately is just okay, normal life.
Alright, how does it feel that a life that once you have been dreamed of is now finally happening?
Okay, so every one of us has our own dream, no? Maybe this is not my dream, life, but I can say that I am happy with what I have become, and I have I'm doing with everything that I do.
Who or what motivates you to become a person you've become right now?
Of course, number one motivation is our family, no? And because without our family, the support of our family, we are nothing. So before is our first motivation, my family, and my first family, and now is my own family.
So, did you ever encounter some problems that once pushed you to your off limits?
Yes, of course. Every day we encountered a lot of problems, and that problems will not stop us to stop us dreaming, no? So walay tawag yun nga walay problema. So that problem mo na ginaingon nga kung ay problema o na mo hatag na to motivation in pushing to the limits, no? Kay dili pwede nga diha ra ta kutog. We have to do something. Kung dili man gani masulbad sa usa, then we have to do another thing para kuhanan. Na siya mo'y rason nga muhunong ta, especially in achieving our dreams and goals in life.
Is the life you have right now gives you a fulfillment?
Yes, of course. Naana man jud ta ani, no? We cannot say nga di na ta pwede nga mo padayon kay naana man ta ani. All we have to do is kanang mo padayon, and mo naman imong kinabuhi. So kinahanglan mo padayon na ta, and of course love the things we do, especially nga mama na ko. I'm not only a career person, but also I have my own family. So I have to balance things nga dapat mabalance pod ang imong life ug ako ang imong career.
Thank you, ma'am. Then, did you ever think of giving up in the middle of your battles with your success?
Yes. Makaingon ka nga, especially work. No nga, usahay makaingon ka nga, usahay, kuha naman ikaya ka na yung sobra na, but because of our motivations, sa atong family, makaingon ka nga, dili dyan ta pwedeng mo stop kay kuha. Ato dyan i-push kay, kinahanglan mo dyan ka mo trabaho, for our family. So, sa may atong kanon, dili ka mo trabaho. So, kinahanglan nga, ato dyan na buhaton ko sa atong kaya.
So, during your college days, how did you balance your academics, social life, and personal responsibilities?
During college life, no? So, sa akong mahinumduman, I have my kuan pod experience. Same as you, siguro, no? Nga mga estudyante pod na yung mga personal things, personal life. Of course, dili dyan po kalimtan ang paglingaw-lingaw, no? Kaya mao man ay makabalance, but we have to focus dyan sa pag-eskwela. Naaman siya ng mga kalingawan sa gawas, pero kinahanglan nga ato yung i-focus sa goal na to, mahuman dyan tag-eskwela.
Why did you choose this career path?
Teaching is my career path, no? So sa una man ko nag-eskwela ko, I was in Norso ba, is enrolled in Norso. So, parang nakaingon ko nga, wala na yung choice, no? Kaya, my choice was nursing and education. And nursing, way back then, sa amo time, wala na ko nagpa-enroll. But, yung ako auntie, sis, my auntie is, namingon siya nga, hey, mag-education. Mag-education, masyada na siya.
What were some of the most valuable lessons you learned from your mistakes during college?
Valuable mistakes. Sa una, my auntie is very strict, especially sa time na mo, no, mo ang auntie sa una na adyo may katapot sa bungbong o kung sa schedule na mo o dili mi mo uli kung dili mi makauli anong time na daghan kay pangutana, although bais man ho yun is kanang mo travel pa ka pero makaingon siya nga ug dugay mauli nganong dugay mauli, stricto siya but naka-realize mi nga karon nga ug wala siya nag-strict ka ato nga time dili mi mahimo ug unsa mi karon, especially sa akong mga hugpod kay duha man mi, so kay kuan siya may amo ang guardian kasi since our mother was dead when we were 4 years old, so among auntie mo ay nag-guide namo sa among pag-eskwela. So among pag-college stricto kayo muna among gi-value nga hopefully nga mo kung value namo nga ang pag-eskwela jud number 1 priority sa iya ha. So ang education jud, so hopefully nga mo mapasa na sa among mga anak nga hinaot nga makahuman pod sila and they can choose the career that they want.
What were your favorite aspects of college life?
Favorite aspects kanang mga extracurricular. For example, I was a Norso career I was a Norso choir, Kabilin choir, and I also joined Norso Kabilin band. Kuan mga extracurricular kay that was dili mo kay ko academically kuan jud academically kanang high standard nga level pero ug mga curricular activities abte kay kuana kay nato atong mga talents and skills.
Do you have any advice to the students who are now currently fighting for their dreams or even to those students who are afraid for their dreams?
Never stop dreaming kay mo jud ta sa una ra man jud na nga poverty is not hindrance to success, no? Okay, dili na naron poverty kay libre naman ang eskwelahan ron sa kung unsay makaya sa atong ginikanan ug naa man ta mi eskwela, we have to treasure it. Kinahanglan jud nga ato nang paningkamutan nga mo humanta kay atong ginikanan mo man ay nagtabang nato jud ug wala sila dili na jud makapadayon. And then ug mag-eskwela na ta, we have to focus. Dili ra okay ra jud nang mga extra kure-kure, no? Basta kinahanglan jud ni ato i-focus ang atong pag-eskwela kay diha ra jud nato na makita unya ang atong success kung kumanta.
Thank you so much.
Alright, ma'am, thank you so much ma'am sa time, sa ano ma'am kay. Kabalo jud ko nga busy kayo mo ron nga karong teachers labi ng padang buwan ng wika. So, I'm sure busy kayo mo. So, thank you kay sa time ma'am ha kanang ano kanina mo dako kay ni nga tabang. Thank you kayo ma'am ha.
Thank you.